Hey guys, thanks for tuning back into my channel. We all know that teen girls are hard to understand, much less to shop for. So today I'm going to give you guys some great tips on shopping for your teen girls this holiday season. So number one, these cloud slippers are really popular right now. They're all over TikTok and a bunch of teen girls are buying them. So they are available on Amazon in a bunch of different colors. So yeah, these are a good option. Next are neon signs. We are really seeing a rise in this neon sign like trend right now. So another great option. They can actually customize it to their name, to their logo, to whatever they want in their rooms. It's really cute. And if you have like an artistic teen, then this 3D printing pen with display, like you can literally draw out your own designs. And this is great for kids as well. Like if you have a really creative child, this is really, really good. And next up is the printable digital instant print camera. So this can instantly print their pictures. It's very like vintage, and you know, that is really trendy right now. You can just print it right out. And that leads me into my next one, which is the dimmable 50 photo clip strings hanger lights. So if they print out all their pictures, they can hang it up on their wall, be super creative, and this is also very trendy amongst the teens right now. So this one is, you know, if you have a teen that loves to have their phone in their bed, but they always drop it on their face, then this is really great. It's a phone holder by the bed, gooseneck mount, so it's really adjustable, and then you can like hang it however you want, on the bed head, on different things. It doesn't necessarily have to be the bed, but this is a really great option. Next up is this mini fridge. If you have someone who's super into like skincare, then you know they don't want to have to like put all their skincare products in the fridge downstairs, like where all the food is. They can have this really cute little mini refrigerator that's super easy to use. It's just plug and play. You don't have to really have too much like maintenance over it, and it has like a lot of really good reviews, and it's super easy to use. All right, next up is, again, if you have someone who's really into like makeup and stuff, this is a lighted makeup mirror. So they can just put it on their desk, and it has these beautiful lights that you can like have different settings for: warm yellow, warm white, cold white, and that's really good for doing your makeup. Next up, we have this funny cereal candle milk bottle set. Like Fruit Loop cereal candles are really popular right now. There's a bunch of different candle places making them, so here is a good option. This one is only $23.99, and it has a lot of really great reviews. Next up is Air Forces. I mean, come on, like if you've been on TikTok anywhere within the last few months, you know that Air Forces are what all the teen girls are wearing. So if your teen girl does not have a pair yet, definitely go out and get one of these or order it right from Amazon. And this cute mini leather backpack, again, super trendy, simple. Like it's enough said, like, you know, you don't really have to say too much. It's a really trendy thing right now. Everyone's gonna love them. Beats, headphones. Again, if they love music, they're gonna love these headphones. Really great quality and easy to use. Next up is a star projector, galaxy projector. Like it has a bunch of different settings, and it's just so cool. So yeah, again, if you watch TikTok, you'll see in the backgrounds of almost all of them, they have either LED lights or these galaxy lights. Really fun and really trendy. Again, like I said, LED lights, so you can either go with those or with these. These are easier to just like hang up, and they can adjust the settings, have different colors, different moods. Super cute, super cute. Super trendy on TikTok right now. Yeah, a lot of great reviews. Next is the Echo Dot, again for someone who likes music, and this also has a bunch of other different functions, so you might as well get them all in one instead of just buying like a portable speaker. This one you can actually have different things on it, and it's only $40. It's a steal. Next one is a tie-dye kit. Again, another thing that's trending right now is tie-dye. Yeah, so super easy just to tie-dye your stuff and make some creations. Next, if they really love makeup, here is a fun makeup brush set that is mermaid themed, really cute. And then if they like more like of a plain color, then this is a really cute pink set for them as well. Next up, of course, you have to have some makeup to go with it. So this is a really cute NYX palette, which is a very popular makeup brand right now. So yeah, you can get them the brushes with that little makeup set. Next is a crimping curler. Yeah, everyone is loving this wave style right now, so definitely check this one out. And then next is a 6-pack of press-on nails. If they love doing their nails but don't like going to the nail salon, this is a really great alternative. And these flasks, you know, everyone is like getting these flasks right now, so definitely check this out. And then next, if they like to go to festivals and carnivals, a requirement is to have like clear bags. So this is actually a cute clear bag that they can have instead of, you know, just bringing like a plastic clear bag. And last but not least, a jewelry stand. So if they like jewelry and they want to organize it, this is super cute. All right guys, thanks so much for watching, and comment down below any other themes or groups that you want me to put together a list for. I will see you in the next video. Bye.